Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel.
And I want you to do something. Nani kitu fupi.
What's up, good people? Welcome back to my channel. Hope you're doing fine. As for me, I'm doing great. Thanks for clicking the new one. Karibuni sana, feel at home. So on today's video, guys, I want to cook minced saucy soya. Yeah, and I'm going to cook it with rice. So onto my ingredients, I have saucy, the minced saucy soya. I have tomatoes, bell pepper, hoho. I have salt. For the spices, I'm using paprika and beef cube. I have garlic, onions. I have coriander, dania. I also have my rice here. I already washed the rice. So for the rice, I'm going to cook 1.5 cup. Yeah, and I have water here. So on to my first step, guys. I'm just going to pour in my water just to soak the saucy. So we need more. Yeah, that's enough. So as you can see, I've already soaked it. So I'm just going to leave it there for like 15 minutes. Yeah, for 15 minutes. Let me just remove these ones here so that I can start cooking. So guys, I'll start by cooking my rice. And sorry guys, on my ingredients I forgot to mention my cooking oil. Yeah, I didn't mention it. So I'm just going to put a little of cooking oil. Then let me just leave it for a little bit so that it can heat up. So then I'll put in my salt. So now the oil is heated, so I'll just add in my rice. Remember guys, the rice is I'm cooking 1.5 cup. So for the water, I'm using, if it's 1 cup, I'm going to use 2 cups of water. So, because I'm using 1.5 cups of rice, so that means it will be 3 cups, because 1 cup is to 2, then a half is to 1. Yeah. So I'm just going to use 3 cups of water. I've already measured the water to 3 cups. So let me just check whether the salt is okay. Yeah. So I'll just leave it to boil. Then we start cooking the saucy soya, because the first 15 minutes has not yet over. Yeah, it's better, it's advisable you soak your saucy soya first for like 15 minutes. Yeah, before you start cooking them. Let me just cover it. Yep.
15 minutes later.
Let me just change this to here. Yeah. So now let's start by cooking the saucy. And just a disclaimer, guys, saucy is not meat. Yeah. Just a disclaimer, this is not meat.
Duh.
Yeah. So let's wait for the pot to heat up so that I can put in my cooking oil. So I'm just going to leave the oil to heat up so that I can put in my onions. I love lots of onions, so the reason I food is that has a good taste. We use a lot of onions. I don't know whether it's my opinion. Yeah, I love a lot of onions. So I'm just going to leave it to just cook. Alafu ndo tuweke ugali. Hatutaacha zikuwe golden brown. Sasa ziive kidogo. Next step, I'm going to add in the garlic. So our rice is ready. So I'm just going to leave it there as the saucy cook. So now I'm going to add in the bell peppers on my hoho. So I don't have the crunchy hoho. So I'll leave it to cook. Guys, the aroma of the garlic, guys, is very nice. Very, very nice. So at this point now, I'm going to add in my tomatoes. You can also use tomato paste if you have. So these are for the tomatoes. I had grated them. Unaweza grate ama you blend them just to avoid sitaki hizo zimekatwa cause unapatanga zinaacha those the outer part of the nyanya unapata zinaonekana kwa food. So I just like them grated. Yep. So at this point, I'm adding in my spices, the beef cube and paprika. And you can use your preferred spices. I don't want to limit anyone on this. So for me, I'm just using those two. Yeah, that's enough. And for the salt, you've noticed I've not yet added the salt. That is because the saucy soya has its own salt. So if you add your salt here, it's going to be unapata inaweza kuwa ni kali. So just add in your saucy, then taste, have a taste of it. Kama iko na salt. If not, you can add in a little salt. Yeah. So let them cook a little. You see guys, it looks very nice, very yummy. Na bado sijaongeza hizo saucy. Yeah. So I think size is already. So I'm just going to add them. Yeah, and as you've seen, unaona imagine nilikuwa nimesoak nayo. Kuna yenye imebaki, so I'm not going to pour it, I'm just going to use it. Yeah, so give it a good stir. Have a taste kama ziko na salt. I'm just going to add a little salt. Iko sawa. So let me add in my dania ama coriander. Give it a stir. So what I'm going to do next, I'm going to add in water and leave it to cook. Then we add a little. I think that's enough. Yeah. So I'm just going to leave it to cook. And that's it, guys. So let's wait for it to cook. So guys, that's it. As you can see, it looks very delicious, and it's that simple, guys. So that's easy. So you can just try this recipe. Yeah, it's that easy, and I hope you love it. So thank you for watching this video. Give it a thumbs up if you've loved it, and I'll appreciate it. So until the next one, guys, bye bye. I love you.